You have to become a totally different human being. In order to achieve something you've never achieved before, you have to become someone you've never been before.
You can't reach a new level with the same habits, the same mindset, or even the same version of yourself. Growth requires evolution.
What I found in my research is that there's a series of qualities that self-made millionaires have. If you have these qualities, your success is virtually guaranteed. And if you don't have these qualities, the qualities are learnable.
Nobody's born disciplined, confident, or unstoppable. These are trained skills. If you're willing to learn, your potential becomes limitless.
You have to become a totally different human being. Now, number two is you're probably only one skill away from doubling your income right now. You're probably only one skill away from setting yourself on the road to becoming a self-made millionaire. That turns out to be the case for almost everyone.